guys, ಅಂತ start ಮಾಡಿ. You didn't order pani puri? No, she ordered aloo chaat. Hello guys, we have gotten ready so pretty for Priyanka's birthday. We have also decorated in the back. We are just waiting for her.
Yeah, excitement.
Out of the roof. See, this is the tag we got her. It's so pretty.
Guys, it's my first vlog. Please bear anything if we talk wrong or something.
We are gonna just enjoy this. Not so. This is.
We are done with the.
We are done. Good night.
Yeah,
Just good night, guys.
we are done with the excitement. It's all gone. She hasn't come yet. I don't know where is she. Priyanka, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಮ್ಮ? Guys, Isha Didi started shedding. She is done waiting for Priyanka.
Currently, temporarily, I've stopped loving her because she told she'll stay tomorrow also, but then she told no. She snatched my happiness.
One eternity later.
Guys, Priyanka is downstairs. We are ready. She's gonna be coming every minute. Hi, Priyanka.
No, you're not allowed to see. Okay.
Come. Keep my bag.
No,
you take it.
Take it inside, get ready and come.
Take the dress and get ready.
Wait, I should give her back.
Get ready fully. Excuse me, guys. She is our birthday baby and she is getting ready, guys. She is our birthday baby. You want the close up?
It highlights her cheeks. Hello guys, ಅಂತ start ಮಾಡಿ.
Guess, Priyanka, what might be outside? ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡು.
ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Priyanka. Happy birthday to you. Pink pink. ಇದು ಫೋಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈಶಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.